Hey everyone, today I'm going to be covering arithmetic in Python. So to start off, let's create a variable, and we'll just assign number to 5. And we'll be using the print statement to see the result of these operations. So let's first start by using a number, and we'll use the addition operator, and we'll say number plus 3. So now if I run this code right here, you see we get 8. There's also subtraction, which you see here. There's multiplication, which if I run this here, and there's division. Now you get a floating point number here. If you wanted this to just be the low number of it, so if you just wanted 1, a solid 1, you would put 2, and there you go. Now you can also add an equals to any of these equations. So if we do number plus equals 3, and delete this stuff right here, you can see when we run this, we get 8. It's the same thing with minus equals. We get 2. Divide equals, we get that, and times equals, we get this. Now there's also the modulus operator, which can be done with or without the equals. And that's the remainder of that. So you can see we can also do number modulus 3 over here, and you'll get the same result. I hope you enjoyed this arithmetic in Python, and stick around for the next one.